What's up everyone, welcome to Profit Ada. So today exactly I'm going to talk about this how you can search instruments, and in that segment how you can fetch your required trading symbol, expiry, lot size and other things. Okay, so before getting to this part I must say that if you don't have an account in Allies Blue, what you can do is you can follow the link below in the description and just put it your name, email, select state such as Karnataka, mobile number and say open an account. So with the help of Aadhaar and PAN card you can open an account online and can have the API and can follow these things. Okay, and for these things you need an API, and Allies Blue provide free API which I already discussed in my videos. So you need two things here. Okay, you need to know how you can generate the access token. Okay, so with the help of username, password and access token we will proceed further, and we will definitely gonna talk about what is the importance of fetching this symbol which we will say call and put. Okay, we will definitely gonna see mostly we will fetch this instrument for the purpose of trading. We will check what is the expiry, what is the lot size. Okay, if we get this information we can correctly place orders, and we can do require things. Okay, so I must say that after getting this access token you should know in this call and put options it helps to fetch your required strike price. Okay, if you are searching these instruments you will definitely get to know about what is my strike price. So in these segments it will definitely gonna help. So ITM, ATM, OTM you can easily fetch with the help of this one, and you can place this symbol in your fetching your data as well as placing orders. Okay, so yeah, so let's go for these things. I'll just show you how you can do. So you should already I've been done this video, so you can watch that one. So in this it will help you to, I already set my each and everything and extracted the access token. For that you can follow that video which I already said, and this is the way you should follow. You should call the allies with the username, password and the access token. That's it. So if you are prepared with these things, just follow few of the simple steps and it will be easy to get the required symbol name, expiry and lot size. Okay, we will definitely gonna call this pandas, so it will be easy to fetch the data and get the data. Okay, and next we will definitely gonna say whatever we trying to get our instruments. Okay, so it is very much simple. Allies dot search underscore instruments. Okay, that's it. And all you have to do is wherever I am calling this instruments, I should call this in a data frame, so it will be easy for me to fetch. Okay, so we'll see this as an instruments. Okay, and we will print this. So now it will fetch all of my instruments required. So we should whichever you want to fetch. Say suppose for me NSE is okay. I just said NSE and the trading symbol, it will work for me. Okay, say I said Nifty Bank and it will fetch me data whatever required, but getting the options data is quite complicated. You never know what is the expiry and what is the lot size. Okay, to search around you should follow this step. Okay, so before this getting, I just say if you are following these steps you should say about the exchange, okay, and the trading symbol whichever you want to fetch. So my is Bank Nifty which I want to fetch. Okay, so whatever feature and options available in this segment you should fetch and give it to me. Okay, so let's print these things. So if you go with the Allies Blue account as well, if you try with the left side, there is a search option is there. If you try, it will give in a sequence wise each and everything. As an NFO, as an NSE, same thing with this thing. Okay, so if you try with these things, what happens in a sequence from an increasing order, it will give each and everything. Okay, so as you can see, and it will fetch up to some 1872 symbols, as you can see. Okay, and at the end you will get futures, and before that all of the options. So as you can see, 27,800. Okay, and right now it will be trading around whatever the price will be there, bank nifty. Okay, so you can match around and can choose a strike price. Okay, so that's why I said you can follow the second video for that one. Okay, but you need to work around how you can fetch. And in a simple way, say suppose if you want to get to know about what is the expiry and what should I do with this one, it is very much simple. Say all of the trading symbol right now it is fetching is a current, this one. Okay, so this is the previous segment which I am talking about, and this is what it is fetching. Okay, so this is the way you can just search it out. For this is for December. So right now these three things will be get divided for the October, for November and December. So for futures you can easily can fetch this phase. So if you get with any trading symbol, it is like it is everything has been merged. Okay, so it is no without space. But while following with the Allies Blue for trading symbol or fetching data, you need to follow these steps. Okay, as you can see, October, my data is already is now completing its expiry, and next I need to fetch this November, December. So this is the way I can go. Okay, I can fill the way whichever I want to fetch, and I easily can fetch. Okay, so suppose if I want this, say symbol. Okay, so suppose if I want only symbol, what should I do? For first of all, this first symbol I want. Okay, so I have to search in this way. I have to say that whatever from this area it belongs, just fetch for me. Okay, and I'll just get the symbol from these steps. So whatever it starts, okay, from in a sequence wise, from increasing order, whatever you get, just fetch. Okay, so as you can see, we got these symbols, so which we can utilize. Okay, present whatever it is running, you can just search it out and you can do it by yourself and you can fetch around. Okay, and in another way, say suppose if I want to fetch this tail, at least 10 symbols, so you can call this way. And say suppose if I want to search my expiry, what is my expiry, I just let you know in this segment. Say suppose in this in this you have to say about the tail. So if I have to talk about my this one, okay, future segment, whichever I want to fetch. Okay, so this is the way I need to call. After fetching this tail, say suppose if you want this whatever upper symbols are there or expiry is there, if you want to fetch, you want to see, this is the way you can fetch and can see. Okay, so if you say tail, it will go from below, and if you say head, it will come from upper side. Okay, and so suppose if you want to fetch the last one, okay, so we got this bank nifty October future. So this is around 1872. So this is serial number which you need to call. So if you already searched it and you got this stuff, and say suppose if I'm trying to fetch this stuff while getting this, while I just sequenced out whatever the data is there from this to that, so you can easily can fetch. And say suppose I require this symbol, so easily I have to say is a symbol. Okay, so this is the way you can call. You can use this symbol for your trading. Okay, so whichever you want, you just say them. And say suppose if you want to call this trading symbol without this sequence each and everything, and just place it, So how you can do, say suppose if I want this has to be my trading symbol. Okay, you have to call this string and say index equals false, and if you say print trading symbol, it will fetch the required thing as you want for your data as well as trading purpose. So this is the way you need to fetch, and you need to say about the bank nifty I want to trade. Okay, so this is the way you need to fetch. And if you want to talk about your expiry, you can easily say expiry. Okay, so this is the expiry, so 29th will be last day for this one trading. Okay, and if I say about the lot size, so I can fetch the lot size and I can multiply with that one whichever I want. Okay, say suppose I required one lot, so it will be equivalent to 25. So you have to go with the 25. Say suppose if I want to trade with the two lots, say I will talk about this quantity itself, because you already seen through my videos, which I already said how you can go with the quantity. Okay, same thing I'm following the syntax, and this will be in a string, so you have to say integer, since quantity is an integer. And suppose if you want to double, so this is the way you have to say. All you have to do is have to multiply. Okay, so it will be your of double quantity, which is 50 rupees. Okay, so this is the way you have to say about your size, and you can multiply this way and it will help. Okay, and so we talked about expiry, lot size, and other things so which you can fetch in instruments where you see. Okay, go for those things, it will definitely gonna help. Okay, so suppose if I say instruments, I just give a brief. Okay, so what are the things you can fetch? You can fetch exchange, token. In this case we never using this token and all, so we're not required. Exchange, symbol, expiry, and lot size will definitely gonna help. Okay, so if you want to check if the expiry is okay or not, and CEP whatever it is available or not, it is trading or not. Okay, so you can fetch here and do utilize as per your wish. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you need an API for this things, free API for trading purpose, Allies Blue account, okay, please follow link in description, and I can definitely help you in account opening process as well as to get API. Okay, so follow the link, fill the details, and you can come to my WhatsApp and can surely help you to get the API. Okay.